What's up everyone, it's Justin, aka the Green S4. I have something really cool for you today. So I just came back from my favorite shop, 034 Motorsport in Fremont, California, and we got it. One of the very first, hopefully, P34 air intake for the B9 platform. Let's talk about it. So what happened was actually kind of fortuitous timing, being in the right place at the right time. I was in the shop getting some work done, getting a track inspection for Laguna Seca, which I'll talk about. And they came out and they were like, hey, we need a B9 S4, we need to shoot some install guide photos for the brand new P34 Intake. They said, are you interested? We'll give you a nice deal on it. I said, okay, absolutely. So just came back from the shop where they just installed one of the first P34 intakes to go on a customer car, I assume. It's really nice. It's got great fit and finish. Has a super OEM appearance. Uses the fresh air duct here from the front, so it actually does get you some cold air. And one thing that's kind of hard to see, kind of hard to notice, is that in the corner of the intake, there's actually a little open element, which gives you some really nice whooshing noises. And then it's got this nice silicone pipe going right to the intake right here. Inside, massive 5-inch conical filter, tons of surface area, really great flow, and it sounds great as well. So yeah, pretty happy about it. And actually, my car is being used for the install guide. So when they post that, you'll see a green B9 S4 in the photos, and that's me. Stay tuned.